folks, here we go. We're gonna get into this game. Let's do it. Red team, let's join. Alright, they don't want that smoke. I got a concussion. They don't want that smoke. My sensitivity is high. My sensitivity is a little bang, bang, bang. Told you didn't want that smoke. Ooh, that's an easy kill. Looks like we're playing Concussion Mania. He didn't want that smoke. Oh, I died. Hold on, guys. My sensitivity is kind of like freaked up.
Put it down.
I just got caught. Just got killed. That shit pisses me off. Boom. Boom. Oh. It seems to me like we're playing Concussion Mania, but I don't know why we're playing Concussion Mania. But welcome to my gaming channel, folks. This is where all the action happens. This is where we do what we want. And it seems to me like we have a little problem here, Aiden. Boom, boom, headshot. Ooh, 41. And I died. That's...
Okay.
And boom, headshot. Oh, I didn't make it. Shut up, I'm streaming. Fuck, man. Can't even stream. Ooh, headshot. I missed him. Come here, that's mine. Oh, somebody just killed me. Let it go tonight. Oh, guys. Well, guys. Oh, boom, here, free kill right here. Oh, I'm getting wrecked today, guys. I don't know what the deal is. Aiden's not here to support me, so...
I'm right here, guys.
And I lost, so... We're gonna end that video. And, like, we're gonna keep going because one more game for you guys because we're just them boys. But I'm gonna have this video sent to my phone. And, yeah. GG. GG. We're streaming, boys. Streaming things. GG. Oh shit, he's coming, We're still gonna do it. Concussion Mania, I told you. It was concussion, guys. We're in this. You fucking don't. And I killed myself. But it's okay though. I freaking hate this game. I freaking hate this game, folks. My name is Inevitable. Yeah, because you know I'm inevitable. As Thanos said. Watch this, free kill. What'd I tell you?
No, your name is... your name is...
I fucking killed myself again. Seems to me like it just never ends. Wait, you're not killing me. What's wrong with you? You died. How the hell? Hey, subscribe to the channel. And I just got killed again. Why are we playing Concussion Mania? Can somebody explain this? Why the freak?
As you can see, I'm a Crip. He's a Blood. I don't associate with him. So.
He's literally sitting next to me, but okay.
That's different.
Yes, sir. I'm streaming this now to see if it works. No. No, like I'm yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the stream right here. I have to finish something, so we're gonna end it. We're gonna go to what he's wanting us to go to. So
peace out.
Peace out. Subscribe, comment, and yeah, turn on post notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next video.